Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at chemistry. Now we have a question on the board. We are asked to name this particular organic compound. So how do we solve this question now? Let us go. Now looking at this question, all right, the first step here is this, is for us to locate the longest continuous carbon chain. All right, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are having 7 carbon atoms. And take note of this. Okay, now this is a triple bond. Now let's say this is now heptine. Am I communicating? Heptine. All right. Now the next step is this. Now which is my first carbon atom? All right. Will I start counting from here? Okay, or will I start counting from here? That means, is this my first carbon atom or is this my first carbon atom? Now, how do I know my first carbon atom? Now, listen. Now, the next step here is this. Now, I have to start counting, okay, from the carbon atom, okay, that has the lowest number. How do I mean? Now, if you check here now, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm having 3 carbon atoms before the triple bond. Now I'm having 4 carbon atoms now before the triple bond. Now which of them is low in terms of the number of carbon atoms? You will discover that this one is low. Why? Because it has 3 carbon atoms, okay, and it has 4 carbon atoms. Now remember I said that you have to start counting from the carbon atom that has the lowest number of carbon atoms, okay. So this is 3 carbon atoms, while this is 4 carbon atoms. So obviously this is my first carbon atom. Am I communicating? So let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right now, from here now, what do I do? Okay, now this is chlorine, okay, and this is methyl. Now alphabetically, all right, C comes before before M. Okay, now so it shows that it's going to be 2. Now chlorine is 2 on this second carbon atom, so it's going to be 2 2. Don't forget, all right, with a hyphen, okay, because it is 2 chlorine atoms, so it becomes dichloro. Am I communicating? Now come back here. Now CH3, that is 2 methyl group on this 5th carbon atom, and then we have another methyl group on the 6th carbon atom. So it's going to be 5 5. Okay, now this is 6. Okay, now because we are having 3 methyl group, okay, it becomes trimethyl. Am I communicating? Now it is heptine, all right. So but I'm not going to write heptine in full, so it's going to be hept. Now remember that we are having 3 carbon atoms before the triple bond. Am I communicating? So it's going to be I'm going to put in that 3, then ine. Okay, so how do I name this now? 2 2 dichloro, 5 5 6 trimethyl, hept 3 ine. That is the name of this particular organic compound. Thank you and bye bye.